In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email capture form to your Shopify store. Collecting emails is one of the most important things you can do to grow your business. It lets you follow up with visitors, send promotions, and build long-term relationships with your customers. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add a simple email sign-up section directly in your Shopify theme, using only the built-in tools. No coding, no extra apps required. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your store's overview, like orders, sales, and traffic. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option called Online Store and click on it. This is where all your website-related settings live, including themes, pages, navigation, and blogs. When you click Online Store, it will open up a section showing your current theme at the top. Under your current theme, click on Customize or Edit Theme, depending on what you see. This opens the theme editor, which lets you visually edit your storefront. You'll see a preview of your store on the right and a list of sections and settings on the left. Now, scroll through the preview and decide where you want to add your email capture form. Common spots are near the footer, in the middle of the homepage, or right under a featured collection. Once you've found the section you want it to sit under, go to the left-hand panel and click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear. Scroll through this list until you find something called Email Sign-up or Newsletter. Click on that option and then confirm to add it. You'll see the new email sign-up block appear in your preview so you can immediately see what it looks like on your page. With the email sign-up section selected, you can now customize it. Adjust the heading to clearly explain what people are signing up for, like join our newsletter or get exclusive offers. Add a short description or subtext that tells visitors what they'll receive and how often. If your theme allows it, you can also choose a background image, change the colors, or adjust spacing so it fits your brand and doesn't look out of place. Take a moment to check how it looks on both desktop and mobile views using the preview options at the top of the editor. Make sure the text is readable and the form is easy to find. Once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This step is crucial. If you forget to save, your changes won't go live. After saving, you can visit your storefront in a new tab and scroll to the section where you added the form to confirm it's displaying correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added an email capture form to your Shopify store.